Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. I am Deaunna Jonae, if you did not know, and today I will be vlogging and basically just taking y'all with me as I travel as a hair braider. So with my hair business, I've been doing lots of new things, lots of rebranding, lots of investing into my hair business so that everything can be how I want it to be, how I want it to look, and I can draw in a certain type of clients. I'm just gonna update y'all on everything that I've been doing really quickly before my son gets up. So as far as braiding racks go, I know y'all see it in the back right here. I actually invested in a hair easel by Linda Marie. Hold on, my baby up. Hold on, y'all. This is real life. Hold on. Oh, that baby crying. Can y'all see us? Hold on. Let's turn the light on. Okay, y'all, so now that Uriah is awake, I have to get him situated first. He's going to go to his grandmom's house, or his Nina house, and I'm going to go braid. My braid appointment is not until 9 o'clock. It's currently like 7-ish right now, so I have to make sure that I get up in enough time to get him situated and to get myself situated before the braid appointment. So let's do that. Say hey. Say hey. Wave at the camera. Hey. Hey. Wave. Say hey. Alright, now that Uriah has been fed, dressed, and everything, I am going to partake in me some oatmeal. Yeah. The time now is can y'all even see? 7:18. My plan is to leave by 8 o'clock, have him dropped off by at least 8:20, and then head to my hair appointment after that. Make it there probably a little before 9, probably like 8:45, 8:50 to set up. I am going to take my ring light with me so that I can have good pictures after I get done, and I might record just a little bit of me doing hair. We'll see how that goes. I actually want to do more recording myself do hair, but you know, sometimes that's a touchy thing because you never know if somebody wants to it's a touchy thing sometimes because you never know if somebody wants to be recorded. So we'll see today. You know, of course it is just the back of their head, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so before the baby woke up, I know I was talking about this braid rack, and this is the hair easel by Linda Marie. Now, this was a pretty big investment for me. It did come with wheels, but I didn't put the wheels on there. I just would rather it be stationary, but you can put the wheels on there so that you know you can move it around or whatever. But as far as assembling this, me and my husband ran into the problem of the wood splitting, and even in the instructions they told you that the wood was going to split, but it's okay because this thing is only holding hair. Hair is so light, so if your wood is split, it's okay. There are other things out there which you can use to hold your hair on. I'm gonna show y'all what I used to use. Okay, so this is what I used to use. This is actually a towel holder. You would see something like this in your bathroom or in your laundry room. You basically can hang clothes and towels on it. You can fold it up and you can fold it up like this and store it. And it's not that heavy either. So this is what I used to use, and I just used to hang the hair on these poles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 if you use those bottom two, but I never really used those bottom two. I really just used the top 2 rows, and it worked well for me. So today will be my first time traveling with the hair easel. Of course, it's taller. As far as weight, it's a bit heavier than this, but of course, what would you expect with this being wood? Now as far as pricing, the hair easel was about, I want to say it was $135, but I may be wrong. I tried to find the link, I couldn't find it anymore, but the ones they have on the site now are $145. I had to look up how much this was. I believe this was probably only about $30 or something like that. I'll put it in the description box. But there are other options that look similar to this, which is the needle rack. I'll put a picture on the screen right here. But you can get the racks that hold thread and needle if you want to use that to hold your hair. But this is what I'm going to use today. We're going to see how that goes. I'm going to pack that up in the car off camera so that I'm not late. Okay, so as for my hair bag, this is my hair bag. It's basically kind of like a really big duffel bag or beach bag. Inside of here, I just have all of my hair products and everything I'm going to use today. So here is some mousse that I use once you get done doing the braids. I put this on the braids. I also have a different kind of mousse in here too. This is the Herbal Essences mousse. This mousse just smells really good. Anyway, I have things like hair grease, Shine Jam. These are my combs. I keep all of my combs in a little box like this. I washed them yesterday. I can tag my video of how I wash my combs and brushes. Look in the description box, or I put it in the iCards. But I washed all of these already and I packed them up. Bless you, buddy. I also have my water kettle in here. You can pretty much get a water kettle from anywhere. Dollar General sells one as well. It doesn't look like this, but they have one that will be useful. And then of course I have braiding hair in here as well. This braiding hair has 3 bundles in it. I only have 3 packs in here because I'm doing medium knotless braids today. I'm not really going to use a whole lot of hair, so I believe 9 bundles of hair is more than enough. Yeah, so that's pretty much it in my hair bag. So everything that I'm traveling with is my hair bag, the hair easel, and my ring light. Let me show y'all the ring light because some people might want to know. So this is my ring light. This is by Newer. And it comes in a little travel bag like this. Now, normally I do not travel with a ring light, but I want to travel with it today just to have good lighting. You never know how the lighting will be inside of people's homes. You can always go outside and take pictures as well. That is a great option. But in the case that I don't have good lighting outside, then I just use the ring light. So that's it for now. I still have a good amount of time to waste until it's time for us to leave. So I will see y'all again a little later. I kind of want to go to Starbucks because I really want to be that girl, okay? I really want to be that girl that goes and gets her Starbucks and not care about the price, because Starbucks is expensive, come on. But kind of want some Starbucks because I'm out of coffee here. But anyways, we'll see. Yeah, so I will see y'all when I get to my client's home. All right, I told y'all I was trying to be that girl this morning. My husband gonna be like, you went to Starbucks? But alright y'all, so that is the end of the vlog. I am home. I finished hair around about 2:30, and I was of course leaving at 3 because you know you have to dip the hair and all of that. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay beautiful and be blessed.